Welcome to the Keto Diet Guide channel. On this channel we discuss helpful tips and tricks when it comes to doing the keto diet. Today we'll be discussing what are good fats to eat for the keto diet. In the keto diet, healthy fats is the vital nutrient which makes about 70% of its macros, and it is important for body maintenance. In the keto diet, it is crucial to eat the right types of fat found in the keto diet, such as saturated fat, natural trans fats, and monounsaturated fats. But not all fats are good in the keto diet, there are also bad fats that are found in the diet. The best sources of good fats for keto are in various forms. They help to improve brain function, strengthen the immune system, and also improve mood. Here are some of the good fats for keto. Number 1. Avocado. Avocado is the good source of fat for keto. It is filled with monounsaturated fatty acids or MUFA, which are rich in minerals and vitamins like magnesium and potassium. This helps to cope with the keto flu. Besides, this fruit is also the best source of antioxidants and fiber, which helps promote the anti-inflammatory effects of the keto substance as a whole. The avocado has an excellent creamy consistency, perfect for desserts and smoothies, in addition to soups and salads. Number 2. Ghee. Ghee is type of butter which is heated to remove fat and water from milk. It is a healthier and denser version of butter and a source of good fats for keto. It contains fat-soluble vitamins, which have been used as the traditional healing form for many years to reduce inflammation and also promote health. The medium and short-chain fatty acids found in ghee are related to heart health and fat loss, in addition to intestinal health and better digestion. Number 3. Coconut. The coconut oil is well known as good fat for keto, rich in the type of fat known as medium-chain triglycerides. And although it is saturated fat, it is circumflex as slightly different from animal fat. In fact, medium-chain triglycerides are great for the keto diet because they are said to increase keto body production. Medium-chain triglycerides are also believed to promote weight loss, promote the loss of abdominal fat, and suppress hunger. Because of these reasons, when cooking the keto diet, consider using the coconut oil. Also, coconut provides small amounts of magnesium and iron, and also fiber. Number 4. Olive oil. Olive oil is a good fat for the keto diet, which is known because of heart health. Olive oil lowers blood pressure, reduces the risk of stroke and heart attack, and helps to maintain a healthy weight. It also contains 75% of the daily value of vitamins K and E. Olive oil is full of antioxidants, which can help to reduce the risk of inflammatory diseases like Alzheimer's disease. Number 5. Chia seeds. The chia seeds are known for healthy and high-fat foods, making them good fat for keto. They have an exclusive property that provides additional weight loss. In combination with water, for example, when digesting, chia seeds absorb 12 times of their volume. Typically, this creates the gel-like texture which sticks to the ribs and assists you feel longer and satisfied. Also, this effect can help to promote blood sugar control and lower cholesterol. Chia seeds are a source of olive fats or the plant-based omega-3 fats, which is not exactly similar to fish omega-3 fats, though it offers the best heart health benefits. For more helpful tips for trying to master the keto diet, check out the links in the description. Also, if you're interested in getting a custom keto diet test to see if the keto diet is right for you, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.